Why is the discriminant important in standard form? Imagine you're trying to figure out how many solutions a quadratic equation has without actually solving it. The key to that puzzle is something called the discriminant. It's a simple expression, but it holds a lot of information about the solutions of the equation. When you see a quadratic in standard form, written as x2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the discriminant is the part inside the square root of the quadratic formula. It's calculated as b2 for ac. This little number can tell you whether the solutions are real or complex, and if real, whether they are different or the same. If the discriminant is positive, it means the quadratic has two different real solutions. That's like the parabola crossing the x-axis at 2 points. If the discriminant is 0, there is only one real solution, which is called a double root. Here, the parabola just touches the x-axis at 1 point. When the discriminant is negative, it tells us there are no real solutions, only two complex solutions. The parabola doesn't hit the x-axis at all in this case. Knowing the discriminant helps us understand the nature of the roots without solving the equation fully. It's like a quick check that saves time and guides us on how to approach solving. For example, if the discriminant is negative, you know you'll need to work with complex numbers. If it's 0, you can expect a perfect square trinomial, making the solution easier. This concept is especially useful in real-world situations. Think about projectile motion. If you set up an equation for the height of a ball over time, the discriminant can tell you if the ball hits the ground once, twice, or not at all. It's a handy tool for predicting outcomes in physics, engineering, and even economics. In short, the discriminant is a simple calculation that reveals a lot about the solutions of a quadratic equation. It helps you understand the behavior of the parabola and the solutions you'll find, making solving equations more straightforward and less guesswork. It's like having a sneak peek into the solution story before you even start solving.